In front of me is UMIDIGI A3, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So first of all, you just need to open the settings, then find and select system, and go to advanced. Here you need to reach developer options. If you cannot find developer mode here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock developer mode. To do it, once you do it, just click on developer options, scroll down a bit, and here you will notice system demo mode. Here it is, mark it, and if you want to activate it, click on this switcher, and once you want to make it visible as well, just click here, and that's it. As you can see, it has been already applied. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.